Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to our class. I'm your science teacher. Students, today we will discuss chapter 1 of class 7th Nutrition in Plants. What we will discuss in this segment? We will discuss about nutrition, nutrients, their importance, modes of nutrition and food making process in autotrophs. Let's start with nutrition. What is nutrition? Students, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं उस खाना खाने की प्रोसेस और उस खाने का यूटिलाइजेशन हमारी बॉडी में इट इज़ नॉन एज न्यूट्रिशन. And students, whenever we are taking food, some substances provide nourishment to our body and they are known as nutrients. So we can say food contains substances that provide nourishment to the body, they are as nutrients. Let me recall you, these nutrients are also known as food components. I know you already had studied about that. Let's discuss them. Students, there are 5 major food components: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals. Do you remember? Along with these 5, there are 2 more food components. What are they? They are dietary fibers and water. Yes. Now, what are the main function of these nutrients in any organism's body? Let's discuss them. First, they build their bodies. They help organisms to build their bodies. They help them to grow. They repair their damaged body parts. Whenever the organism gets injured, they help them to heal. The last important point is that they provide energy to organisms to carry out life processes. What are life processes? Respiration, reproduction, growth, nutrition. These are life processes. Now we have to discuss about modes of nutrition. Students, basically there are 2 types of modes of nutrition. What are they? First one is autotrophic. Second one is heterotrophic. Auto. Let's break the word in 2 parts. Auto means self and trophus means nourishment. यानी वो organisms जो अपना nourishment, अपनी feeding खुद करते हैं. So we can say the mode of nutrition in which organism make food themselves. अपने आप अपना खाना बनाते हैं. And these type of organisms are called autotrophs. And the best examples are green plants. Not plants, green plants. In the same manner, what are heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are those organisms which depend on others for their food requirement. So we can say that mode of nutrition in which organism get food directly from plants or other organisms, and such type of organisms are called heterotrophs. Best examples are we, human being, animals like buffalo, lion, cats, etc. Students, now we have to discuss about the food making process in autotrophs, and I know everybody knows it. What we call the food making process in autotroph? It is known as photosynthesis. So, the food making process in plant is known as photosynthesis. Students, again we can break the word photosynthesis in 2 parts. Photo means light and synthesis means to combine. Means where we use light and synthesize a new product. And what is that new product? It is food for plants. First, we will read the definition of photosynthesis and later I will explain it to you. Okay, let's proceed. The process by which green plants, again remember the word green plants, produce their own food and energy by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. By this definition, it is very clear to us what are the materials we require for photosynthesis. First, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the raw materials which plant require to carry out photosynthesis process. So we have to know about it, from where plant get these raw materials. Let's discuss about it. सबसे important जो factor है for the plant, it is water and minerals. Water and minerals are absorbed by plant roots. We know the water and minerals present in ground. Roots absorb these minerals and water and carry out throughout the plant with the help of plant vessels. Second point, chlorophyll. Students, plant leaves have chlorophyll. It is a green pigment which gives plant leaf a green color. Besides giving the green color to the leaf, important function of chlorophyll is they helps leaves to capture energy from sunlight. And from where do we get the sunlight? Obviously from sun, and we know sun is the ultimate source of light for all living organisms. Main important point for photosynthesis process, main raw material is carbon dioxide. Students, here plant leaves take carbon dioxide from air, अपने surrounding से, अपने atmosphere से लेती हैं, with the help of tiny pores, and these tiny pores are called stomata. Let's see how the stomata looks in a leaf. There is a leaf, simple leaf है. Stomata are not easily visible on a normal leaf. We have to do the sectioning of the leaf. So we had taken a section of a leaf. Students, just have a look. Chlorophyll is already present here because chlorophyll is a green pigment which provide green color to the leaf. Here small opening, ऐसे छोटे छोटे pores होते हैं यहाँ पर. These pores are known as stoma. These pores are guarded by guard cells. Whenever the leaves require carbon dioxide, pores open, otherwise pores closed. Let's discuss photosynthesis through a diagram. Here we can see that the plant draws up water and minerals through roots, and leaves take out carbon dioxide from environment and release oxygen, and oxygen is consumed by other living organism. On the other hand, chloroplast already present on the leaf, and they help plants to produce food, and the food obtained here in the form of sugar. And students, we know sugar is a type of carbohydrates. Let's understand this photosynthesis process in a simple equation. Carbon dioxide, now students, plant get it from air. Water by roots. Sunlight given by sun. Chlorophyll already present in plant leaf. These combine together and form food, C6H12O6. Okay, and release oxygen. Bacha party, this food is stored in plant's leaf and oxygen released out for various life processes which organism can consume. Here this is a carbohydrate type. But remember, a point is here to remember is that here in leaf, food stored in the form of starch. Always remember, it is an important question. Plants leaf में food किस form में store रहता है? The answer is starch. Okay, I hope it is very clear to everybody what is photosynthesis, how the process takes place, where the process is going on. Now we have to just understand some important things, some important points which are very necessary for us. Besides leaf, in plants there are some other parts also which perform the photosynthesis. हमने अब तक ये पढ़ा कि plants में सिर्फ leaves में photosynthesis process होती है. Not exactly. कुछ plants होते हैं जहाँ पर leaves के अलावा जो other plant parts हैं like green stem, green branches, they also takes place. Let's have a discuss on it. Beta, in desert plants, their leaves have scale and spine. आपने cactus या ऐसे plants देखे हैं, इन पे आपने observe किया होगा कि इनकी leaves पे ऐसे spine like structures होते हैं. ये जो spine like structures होते हैं, scales होते हैं, what they did? They reduce the loss of water by transpiration process. That's why in these plants, in which plant? In desert plants, green stem carries out the photosynthesis process. Okay, so we can say that except green leaves, green stem and green branches also perform the process of photosynthesis. Now have a look on this diagram. Colorful leaves are they? And the question is here, have you seen these type of leaves? Yes, we have seen these type of leaves. Where? In our garden, in our houses. These are ornamental plant leaves. Now my question is here, they are not look like green in color. They are not green. This is purple, this is yellowish, this is also purple, this is a pigmented one. Now the question arises here is, they contain chlorophyll or not? If they are having chlorophyll, are they perform the photosynthesis process? If they are not, then how the food is prepared in these type of plants? Students, these type of leaves have chlorophyll. Yes, they have chlorophyll, but the amount of chlorophyll is little bit less compared to other pigments. Brown, purple, red, इन पिगमेंट से ग्रीन पिगमेंट का जो प्रोपोर्शन है वो कम होता है और इसलिए ये पत्तियां ग्रीन नहीं लगती हैं. बट दे आर परफॉर्मिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस एंड दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग देयर ओन फूड. Okay, students, along with green plants in nature there are some other organisms are also present which perform the functions as green plants perform. What are they? They are algae. Students, question is why the color of algae is green? Before coming on this question, one question arises in most of the students' mind is that what is algae exactly? I know everybody knows what is algae, लेकिन ये होता क्या है? You must have seen some slimy green patch like structure during rainy season or after rainy season or near around stagnant water bodies. हम चिड़िया को जहाँ पानी डालते हैं उस चिड़िया के उस बर्तन में भी हम इस तरह की ग्रोथ को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. बच्चा, ये जो ग्रोथ होती है इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म विच इज़ हैविंग व्हाट? अ पिगमेंट which make it green, and that green pigment is chlorophyll. अब अगर इस organism के पास chlorophyll है, it means it will perform photosynthesis. और photosynthesis अगर कोई organism कर रहा है, that means that organism produce its own food. It will not depend on other organisms for their food necessity. Okay, in this way algae also do the same photosynthesis process for their own food. I hope this concept is clear. In photosynthesis process, we get to know कि plant prepare carbohydrate as a food, but we also studied that in food nutrients, along with carbohydrate, many other food components are also there. What about them? Plants also synthesize fat, vitamins and proteins. So how plant produce carbohydrate? We already had discussed in photosynthesis process. Let's discuss a little bit about it. Plants for the synthesis of carbohydrate requires carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. ये हमें पहले ही क्लियर हो गया है. फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस में कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रोड्यूस होती है, बट along with carbohydrate plant also produce proteins. बेटा बट ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस हमने तो पढ़ा ही नहीं कि प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस होता है. वहाँ तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च स्टोर हो जाता है. बट वी नो नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट इन वास्ट अमाउंट इन आवर एयर कंपोजिशन. आपको वो चार्ट याद है हमारा, हम प्राइमरी क्लासेस से बना रहे हैं. आई थिंक नियर अराउंड अबाउट 78% नाइट्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट इन एनवायरमेंट, बट दैट नाइट्रोजन is not consumable by these plants because gaseous form में it is not possible for plants to absorb that nitrogen gas. For this, certain bacteria helps plant, and what are they? It will discuss in our next segment. Those bacteria helps the plants to change that nitrogen gas in soluble form and plants utilize them. There are some nitrogen fixing bacteria. Along with that, in field farmers are also using nitrogen rich fertilizers. Farmers nitrogen rich fertilizers use करते हैं to fulfill the need of nitrogen. So in this segment we learnt about nutrition, nutrients, their importance, mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode, heterotrophic mode. In next segment, we will discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Thank you.